Now, while the UAE is going big on renewables, down in Argentina, the government of the man behind me, President Mauricio Macri, is investing heavily in good old fossil fuels. The country faces an enormous shortfall in oil supplies. But Macri's government is hoping to attract major energy companies to unlock Argentina's own oil and gas supplies. Lachlan Guselli has more.
This is one of the biggest shale oil and gas fields in the world. Argentina's Vaca Muerta region contains enough fossil fuels to power the country for decades. And yet, because of a lack of investment, most of these supplies remain underground. And Argentina has to import much of its energy. But now all that looks set to change. President Mauricio Macri has announced a plan to invest around $15 billion over the coming years to dramatically increase production. State oil company YPF and US energy giants Chevron and ExxonMobil will all be involved.
They have committed to start a good faith investment process. We are talking about $5 billion for this first year, and they have to double that in the next few years and hold on to it for many more.
Argentina's Vaca Muerta region stretches across 30,000 square kilometres, an area the size of Belgium. Analysts estimate it contains around 27 billion barrels of oil. That's about 3/4 of the world's total demand last year. And these supplies can't come fast enough. Argentina's large energy import bill is putting enormous strain on government finances. About 10% of the workforce is unemployed, and consumer prices are rising at 40% a year. All this is putting Macri under growing political pressure. He's moved quickly to install a new economic team after the sudden resignation of the finance minister last month.
We
want to generate the conditions for Argentina to have a healthy economy, one that creates employment, that brings prosperity for all, to continue to have a normal and predictable economy that grows.
Macri's predecessor, Cristina Kirchner, has been blamed for putting pressure on government revenues. She kept domestic electricity prices artificially low by handing out massive subsidies. Macri will have to perform a delicate balancing act by undoing those benefits without creating any more anger on the streets. Lachlan Guselli, TRT World.